My name is Hassan Rahim. I am a mathematics professor at San Jose City College, located in the heart of Silicon Valley, California. I'm building a website called r2d2global.com to act as a catalyst for serendipity. Serendipity, a magical word that suggests discovery through, call it what you will, extreme passion, inspiration, sixth sense, connection, tinkering, happy accidents, coincidence. Most of us know serendipity through the well-known discoveries of a few: Alexander Fleming, Percy Spencer, Charles Richer, Will Callum. This is going to change. R2D2Global.com is driven by the conviction that serendipity can strike anyone who recognizes no boundaries between disciplines, thrills to the cross-pollination of ideas, is animated by a playful curiosity, has the self-assurance to seek the simplest solutions first, knows that there is no science without fancy and no art without facts. There are millions of people around the globe who fit this criteria, who can make serendipitous discoveries that can touch the lives of millions. That includes you. If physics is your passion, combine your perspective with the poets to give us fresh insights into the nature of time, the cosmos, the stuff we are made of. If social conscience defines you, get together with a digital wizard to reduce the global disparity in science and technology education. A physician, work with a philanthropist to bring healthcare to the neediest. Musician, why not join forces with a mathematician and teach children how harmonious math and music can be? If you are a web developer, huddle with an economist to create a practical model for the fair distribution of wealth created by the internet. Architect, rub shoulders with a naturalist to create sustainable open spaces for congested communities. Neuroscientist, perhaps you can gain insights from a beekeeper to discover new and strange neural connections to explain human traits that has not been explained before. Misfit with a creative streak, team up with a songwriter to give us timeless melodies. And if you're someone who likes to work alone but wondering what can make you come alive, perhaps the spark of an idea by way of serendipity is all you need to transform yourself and make the world a better place. The possibilities of serendipity are endless. Now there's a website that can help you harness its power and its promise. Mingle, connect, act. Summon serendipity at r2d2global.com.